case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1997, Andrew S. Prousi filed a lawsuit against yacht manufacturer Cruisers and engine maker Crusader Marine Engines in the United States District Court for the Eastern District of Pennsylvania. The case centered on a yacht purchased by Prousi, which experienced engine issues, leading to multiple instances of stalling during its journey. Prousi claimed that a defect in the engine installation or peripheral attachments allowed water to infiltrate the engine, rendering it inoperable. He filed warranty claims against both companies under the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, while the Pennsylvania UCC was also relevant to the case. Cruisers argued that Prousi had not fulfilled the warranty condition of presenting the boat to an authorized dealer for repairs. However, Prousi asserted that Cruisers had waived this condition, as they had provided replacement parts and reimbursed him for work carried out by non-authorized dealers without requiring the boat be brought to a dealer. The court denied summary judgment on the defendant's claim that Prousi prevented warranty work due to a lack of conclusive evidence. However, summary judgment was granted on Prousi's claims for implied warranties under the UCC. The defendant's claim regarding the UCC warranty and implied warranty was denied, also because of insufficient evidence. Ultimately, the court was required to review the evidence in favor of Prousi, with both defendants named in the lawsuit.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.